Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can send purchase details data to Google Sheets in real time. Okay, that means whenever some people purchase my product on instamojo.com, the data will be sent to Google Sheet in real time with the help of Pabbly. Okay, so now we are going to create workflow. So create new workflow. So I will write here Insta Mojo to Google Sheet. Okay. The name of the workflow is Insta Mojo to Google Sheet. Done. Now you may be having question like what is Insta Mojo. So if you have question, then you just go and search and log in this website. You can create digital products and you can sell with the help of InstaMojo. Okay. Now we will jump to Pabbly. So you can see here we want to connect InstaMojo with Google Sheet. Okay. So now we are going to create workflow like InstaMojo. So InstaMojo, we want data from InstaMojo to Google Sheet. So for that, what we will do, we will get this webhook and we will paste in that particular product from which data we want to Google Sheet. So we want to sell this product and this data we want in Google Sheet. So I will click here, edit, and then we will go down and you will see advanced settings. So in advanced settings you will see webhook. I will delete this. I will paste this one. Okay, done. I will update it. So for demo version I will buy it or get it in the real time. The data will be fetched by Pabbly. So I will click here capture webhooks. So it's searching. Now I will get the book like ram ram demo at gmail.com, demo number. Okay, so after getting this after purchasing this product, this information will be sent to Pabbly. Let me show you. Okay, payment successful. Okay, now it will be available in Pabbly. Wait. I have to done another because taken too much time. I just wait. Yeah, still it's fetching, so it's the time to make payment. Okay, now we will check. Yes. So at that time it didn't work because the system of fetching data was late. So now this Pabbly captured the data from InstaMojo. Okay, so these are the data ram11 at gmail.com. Now I want this data like particular data to this Google Sheet. Okay, then what we will do, we will go down and we will add here new integration, and that is InstaMojo to Google Sheet. Done. Okay, so here I will type sit because I want InstaMojo data above data in Google Sheet here. Okay, so now connect with Google Sheets. See, connecting Google Sheets is easy, and I'm not going to show you, my email ID is all details. That's why I will hide for a second. So previous details, new credentials, connect. Wait. Okay, it's successful, authorized. Now my Google Sheet is Pabbly Connect. I have already created this Google Sheet. Okay, sheet number 1. Okay, what value you want? Actually I want value name, email and phone number. Okay, so for giving value you have to give some double quote, like I will create, then I will show you double quote, comma, double quote, comma, double quote. So in the double quote you have to here add the parameters, like I want name first, then another double quote I want email of the buyer, again in another double quote I want contact number of the buyer. Okay, so let me show you once again. So what you want, so whatever purchase happened on InstaMojo, you want that those data in Google Sheet. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to take the webhooks and paste inside the InstaMojo product. Okay, and then you will capture the webhook response. You got this response, and now you are sending action, you are sending this data to Google Sheet. Now which data you want to send? I want to send first name, email ID and phone number. That's it. Yes, now I will save it. Okay, send test request, done. Yes, I got data here. Okay, now you will see I'm going to delete this data. Done. I want fresh data. So what I will do, I will go again and buy something again. And you will see data in real time. Okay, Neeraj. Then Neeraj demo at gmail.com. Done. 9889895623. Okay, done. So I'm going to buy this, and in the real time this data will be sent to Google Sheet. Okay, done. Come here. Yes, this is the power of Pabbly and automation. So if you don't know what is Pabbly, then you should have idea about Zapier. So this is the power how you can automate the work. So payment was done here, and information you are getting on your Google Sheet. So this is what I want to show you. And if you really want to automate your work, then just go ahead with Pabbly, and link you will get in the description box, and it is cheaper than Zapier software. So thank you so much for watching. For now, bye bye.